Okay, this video is Sweet Child of Mine by Guns N' Roses. So what you're going to want to do is start on the 12th fret on the D string, okay, with your first finger. So we're going to need these other fingers very shortly to get to frets higher up. So first finger on 12th fret on the D string, you're going to pluck the D string. Then you're going to want to go to the 15th fret on the B string. For this one, you can either use your third finger or pinky. I'm a third finger guy, but you can use pinky if that's easier because it is 3 frets up. So it kind of makes sense. So 12th fret on the D string and then 15th fret on the B string. Okay. Okay. After that, you're going to want to go to 14th fret on the G string. Okay, I'm using middle finger because I've gone from a third finger. If you used pinky, it might be easier to use your third finger for this 14th fret on the G string. Okay, so it depends kind of what finger you use for the 15th fret to what finger you go to next. Okay, but generally use the next finger along you have. So 12th fret, 15th fret on the B string, 14th fret on the G string. I'm using middle finger because I've just used third finger. Okay, 12, 15 on B, 14 on G. Then you want to go to 12 on G string, okay, with first finger, okay. Okay, get a bit closer so you can see that a bit better. So. Okay, and the next part of the riff, you're going to want to go to 15th fret on the bottom E string, so the high E string, and then 14th fret on the G string, and then 14th fret on the bottom E string, okay? Again, for this last bit here, you can use pinky and third finger or third finger and middle finger. I use third finger, middle finger. I'm pretty sure in the lesson you might have been using pinky. So if you're going for the pinky, then when we get to this part here, pinky on 15th fret on the bottom E string, third finger to the 14th fret on the G string, and then pinky again for 14th fret on the bottom E string. Okay, so that should make sense. With this one, try and not keep notes ringing out over each other like this. Oops, sorry. You don't want that Latin ring going on. You want to kind of cut the notes off as soon as you get to the next note. So. Okay. You don't want it too staccato either, so you don't want it to sound like, but you don't want the ring. As soon as you've played a note, let go. Right when you get to the next one, let go. You should be sounding pretty good.